engineers, before we begin task today, we are here for our toolbox meeting.
Alright, roll call. Confirm that you're present and fit for duty. I want honesty. Second engineer.
Present fit for duty.
Third engineer.
Present safe.
Electrical engineer.
Purpose Q.
Motorman.
Fit in the lady.
Oiler.
Present chief.
Wiper.
Present sir. A bit tired. Rough night. But I can manage.
Wiper. We don't manage fatigue on the ship. Will you assign a light duties today? No heavy work. Near rotating machinery. Understood?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
We've got a busy schedule today. Second engineer. Third engineer. Electrical engineer.
Motorman. Oiler. And last, wiper.
Last one, main engine turbo changer inspection. Second engineer, come here. Explain what is turbo changer inspection.
Turbocharger is still from overnight stirring hazard include hot surface, moving part is not properly locked, oil miss ignition phase.
Chief, we did this last voyage. It's a simple job.
Simple jobs are exactly the work complacency kills people. Motorman, recite the lockout steps.
Stop the engine, close the valve, and
Second engineer, take over before someone gets hurt.
Look out, verify zero energy, cool down, information with owner limiting, and PPA compliance.
Good. See why you review? That's very important.
Third engineer. Purifier overhaul. Explain that. Come here.